Do you remember your life before Wuolah? Until the spring of 2014, the university and pre-university students used to share their course note using a hard copy or a flash drive. But this is only possible if they were lucky enough to know other students who had good course notes. But what about that student? Well, this student would get nothing in exchange for sharing those study materials.
That's right. Students with good course notes had no incentive to share them, and students who needed those notes only had access to their close friends' materials. A student had to go to class, study, revise, and then party, because you know, they are young, they need a break. But in any case, life is hard for a student, and that's why Wuolah was born.
We define Wuolah in 4 values.
Free education.
Course notes have always been free of charge and need to remain that way. Thanks to free access to contents, we have achieved more than 30 million downloads per year, 100,000 downloads per month on top studies, an average session duration more than 20 minutes. And more importantly, Wuolah has attracted users. In this academic year alone, more than 1 million students have used the platform.
Rewarding effort.
When you revise, you pass. Every effort has its reward. We apply the same principle, and this is why we pay money to content creators. But how is it possible to offer free access to study materials and give an economic reward to content creators at the same time? It's simple. We insert advertisement in those study materials, and then we give a percentage of the revenues from those ads to creators. Wuolah already has more than 9,000 active creators, more than 4 million files, and we have given more than 500,000 euros to content creators.
Community.
When we create Wuolah, we picture the platform like a university, with a library, a study zone, rest areas. Our growth is organic, and users come to stay. On average, they stay 3.6 years. Very soon, we expect to reach a user lifespan of 9 years. By including pre-university studies, we will have a student from 16 to 25 years old.
Challenges.
So far, we have overcome great challenges. We started growing in Seville, then Andalusia, and today we have a market share of 70 to 90% in the most prominent university of Andalusia. Our growth has continued beyond our region. We now have a very strong presence in Madrid and Barcelona. We also have a spectacular digital presence. Wuolah is the #1 Google result when searching for the word course notes in Spanish, and we are working to have the same position when searching for study materials in other languages. Hi Andreas, how are you? We would like you to tell us why you choose Wuolah and why you became our lead investor.
Hi Jaime, that's an easy one. I believe in Wuolah. Wuolah is the next Facebook for students, a place where all the creators have the opportunity to share their knowledge with millions of students. Furthermore, Wuolah has a huge potential to expand to other countries and a way of functioning that users just love. It's a platform with more than 4 million files in Spanish, which means a great opportunity to grow exponentially in LatAm, and as we all know, this growth has already started.
Wuolah was born from a need that the student had, a need that seems impossible to meet. Wuolah is the right answer. Investing in Wuolah means investing on today's students and tomorrow professionals, and this is only the beginning. Welcome to Wuolah. Learn everything from everyone.